I am Anirban Kundu, retired Executive Director from RCF Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited, one of the leading fertilizer manufacturers in this country. I was also a director in Culture Fertilizers Limited, the company engaged to manufacture urea through coal gasification route. I have 40 years of experience in this field. Messrs. MIRAJ Instrument and Service was engaged to carry out erection commissioning of electrical and instrument requirement in one of our ammonia plant revamping case. The company has carried out the job professionally and technically, and it has been recognized by the management their superb capabilities. The company has carried out its job to the satisfaction of all the concerned stakeholders. I understand this company is growing very rapidly. I wish this company to go further up in this sphere and strongly recommend to carry out erection commissioning in the field of instrument, electrical and mechanical as well. I wish him very best. Thank you.